Mechanic Dan here with Runyon Surface Prep, and today we're just going to do a basic belt change on a VA30. This isn't anything special, anything hard to do, but you just got to watch your tensions on this belt. Right off the bat, I'm going to show you how I check this one just basically with deflection. What I usually go with is about a 7mm deflection. Find the center from pulley to pulley, find your center, and get 7mm gap right there. That's a pretty good way to judge right off the bat if you're close. But what we really do, we don't do that permanently. We have a couple different ways of doing these belts. You can actually look up the belt itself, go online. There's all kinds of belt tensioning charts. What this one is a metric 928. You go on, look up that number. The 8 tells you your grid, your thickness, and it'll give you your length and your width, the 920. What you'll do is go on the chart, and you can do it one of two ways. Just go on the deflection chart. If you have one of the nice handy-dandy Goodyear belt deflection tools, just stick it on there, has a gauge, and it'll give you your 7mm or whatever it says. What we like to do here is we actually use a frequency gauge. Go on your phone and find the app. All you have to do is download it on your app, hold the phone up to the belt, and just smack the belt with the tool. That frequency will show up, and you just tighten or loosen to get your higher or lower frequency. That works really well. I don't know how they got it down to such a science, but it works really well. And we've gone through a couple of these belts and tensioned them different ways and checked it with that frequency meter, and it's really amazing how close that gets it. So any chance you get, use that frequency meter, but it's not necessary. It's kind of overkill, but we as mechanics kind of like to do a little overkill. But just go with your deflection, look up the part number, it'll give you deflection, and go to the Goodyear or the Gates. There's a couple different good charts to go by. But let me show you how to loosen and tighten this one. Just the 19mm socket. Loosen my belt tensioner. And off it comes. This one's really, really easy. Since the bottom pulley does not have your guide, it slides right off. Pull it out of your way. Inspect it. Check it. You'll start seeing threads in here. You see them right now, but they're on the outside. As soon as you start using it, that pattern will go away and you won't see that. But if you start seeing the threads, like these right here, coming out, you'll know something's going on. It's either running off center or it's too loose. Be sure once you start seeing that pattern, you'll know something's wrong. You need to align your pulleys. Let's go back, and like I say, this one's really simple. Get a little close, do some spinning. Bring it over and just tighten it by hand first, and then check my deflection. Right now I'm just doing a quick check. I'm probably kind of loose, but yes, very loose. I'm probably about 10mm. So I know right there I'll need to tighten it up. Loosen it. Go tighter. And I'll keep doing that until I get to my 7mm. So like I say, just check your charts online. It's really easy to do. Gates has some. Goodyear has a real good one. Or just get you a little deflection tool. It's got a little spring lever in there. Just push it. It'll tell you what your tension is. So as far as the VA30, this one's pretty simple. Be sure and inspect your belts. Like I say, check the edges for these threads coming out, because that'll mean it's been running off center. So other than that, this one's a really easy change. If you have any questions, just give us a holler here at Runyon Surface Prep. Thank you.